Hello children, let us start the explanation. Lesson explanation 4.5, a battle to baffle. It is a skit. Let us acquaint ourselves with the characters. Tenali Raman is a witty poet. Witty, I told you before also, means clever and funny. Poet, jester in the court of emperor. Now what do you mean by jester? A man in the past whose job was to tell jokes and make people laugh. They were officially appointed jester in the court of Emperor Krishnadev Rai. Next character is Krishnadev Rai, Emperor of Vijayanagar Empire between 1509 and 1529. Pandit Shahane, a highly learned visiting scholar. Mantri ji, the chief minister. 8 to 10 other courtiers, ministers or scholars. In first scene begins like the courtroom of Krishnadev Rai. The emperor is seated on his throne. Courtiers, scholars, ministers are seated in two rows facing one another and discussing softly. Where Mantri ji he says, I'll just read out this slide. Standing up at bowing, Your Royal Highness, I have some urgent news to convey. May I have your kind permission to announce it? Emperor says, Yes, Mantri ji, you may. Then Mantri ji he says, Maharaj, a very great scholarly Pandit Shahane has arrived here. He has mastered all our scriptures and has won great renown all over India. Here scriptures means sacred writings and renown means fame. He was famous. Pandit Shahane was very famous and learned. Emperor then responds, he must be a truly brilliant Pandit. Then Mantri ji immediately he says, very true, Maharaj. What's more, Pandit Shahane has come here to challenge all the Pandits in our kingdom. He is visiting our court tomorrow. Now, with this conversation between Emperor and Mantri ji, we come to know that Pandit Shahane, who is highly learned, scholarly person, he comes to that kingdom and challenges to all the Pandits of their kingdom. All courtiers, Pandits, etc., they begin to show nervousness and appear restless. Then again there is a conversation between emperor and others. Challenge the knowledge of our Pandits. I am not sure. Looking at the court, here emperor is looking at the court, keeping eye contact and saying, who all among you can take up this daring test of defiance? Defiance here means a bold challenge. Come forth, come forth, come forward. Here emperor he wishes that his scholars, Pandits, ministers, any one of them should come forward willingly and accept the challenge given by Pandit Shahane. All put their heads down in silence. All of them, they become very silent. Emperor, he gets annoyed, he gets angry and says, not one of you can face the Pandit. I am ashamed of all of you. I shall debar you from my court. I have never felt more disgusted. In fact, I shall sentence you all too. Now over here, emperor, after we read, we understand that the emperor, he has become very angry because nobody is coming in front. They should openly come in front and accept the challenge given by Pandit Shahane. But by this, emperor, he gets very much annoyed. Let us continue in the part 3. The first scholar then says, "Excuse me, Maharaj, I have a suggestion. I humbly seek your permission to voice it." To voice something means it's a phrase, to say something loudly. Then emperor, he is annoyed and he says, "What is it?" "It had better be a good one, or you shall be the first one to be exiled from Vijayanagar." Now, to be exiled from Vijayanagar, officially sent away from one's own country. Now, emperor, as he is very much annoyed and angry, that's why he says to the first scholar. Then the first scholar says, "Thank you, Your Majesty. I am confident. Let us send for Tenali Raman. He will certainly find a solution to this predicament." What do you mean by predicament? A difficult, unpleasant, or embarrassing situation. The situation for their kingdom was really embarrassing. Nobody was coming forward. So, this first scholar, he suggests that Tenali Raman, he should come forward, and he has that ability to handle Pandit Chane. Then immediately second scholar, he stands up and responds, "That's an excellent idea. Let us call Tenali Raman. He shall certainly pull us out of this tight corner." Out of this tight corner, it's an idiom. Tight corner means a difficult situation. Then emperor, he summons, then he says that, let Tenali Raman be told and brought to the court at once. Tenali Raman at once. Let us move ahead. Then a guard leaves and fetches Tenali Raman. Tenali Raman, he enters the court and bows to the emperor. Then he says, after bowing, "I am at your service, Your Highness. Your wish is my command." Now, over here, Tenali Raman, with giving due respect to emperor, he says, then emperor, he immediately communicates, conveys what is there in his mind. Tomorrow, he immediately starts telling Tenali Raman what we will see. Tomorrow, Pandit Shahane, a most well read, well known scholar, is coming to our court to challenge our Pandits. All of them here are diffident of taking him up. They have recommended you to outwit the challenger. Will you accept it? Now, unnerved means alarmed, nervous, and agitated. Now, diffident means not confident of one's abilities. The other scholars in the court, they were not at all confident about their abilities, but over here they felt that Tenali Raman could handle the situation better. Outwit means what? Outwit means to prove to be cleverer than someone by using your intelligence. They knew how the Tenali Raman was, how witty he was. So, he had the ability to handle the situation. Tenali Raman immediately he says to emperor, "Most certainly, Your Majesty. Let me assure you that I shall not let you down. But I have a small request. When Pandit Shahane arrives tomorrow, all must accept me and honor me as the chief Pandit for one day." Now, with this, Tenali Raman, when he puts his request that he should be accepted as the chief Pandit just for one day, all the courtiers, the scholars, the ministers in the court, they agree and they nod their heads. Then one Mantriji, he says, "We certainly will, and I shall see to it that you are brought in with honors." Now, over here, even Mantriji is he also agrees and is ready to escort and give honor to Tenali Raman. Then emperor, he dismisses the court. Court gets dismissed. All exit after the emperor does. Next day, courtiers etc. are seated. Emperor's arrival is announced as per protocol. What do you mean by protocol? Means the official procedure, an official procedure, and stand up and bow as the emperor proceeds and takes up his place. Then emperor orders to be seated. Let us continue what happens then in the next video.